My dear class 9 students in math class and in the e-learning class of St. Magnus Academy. Please open the window so that sound will not resound. Let's open this window. Open. Question number 1 tells us that draw different pairs of circle. How many points does each pair have in common? What is the maximum number of common points? Now, exercise 10.3 NCERT and the chapter is circle. We have gone through basically 4 theorems. Equal chords are at equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. Theorem number 1. Theorem number 2, if the angles subtended by chords are equal, so that the chords are also equal in length. The third theorem we have studied and we also discussed and proved that perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord, and the converse of this one, that if a line joining from center to midpoint of a chord is perpendicular on it. My dear students, these theorems are the formulas for the questions. जैसे आप फार्मूला पढ़ते हैं ना SPCT के लिए, if you don't have the knowledge and understanding of the theorem, you will not be able to solve any questions of the geometry. That's why I have given you the homework that you have to rewrite the theorem or practice the theorem 5 times, which I will check your copy just now. Now question number tells us here that we have to draw the pair of circle this question tells us that draw different pairs of circle. How many points are common? Maximum points. Here, how many points are common here? Condition 1. Common points here? 2 points. Here, common points 2. Condition number 2 here. So this is one circle and this is another circle. How many common points here?
Only one.
And the third condition, suppose this is a circle and one circle is inside of this circle. How many common points here?
Only one.
Okay. So what is the maximum number of common points?
2.
Maximum number of common points when a pair of circle intersects, that is 2. This question may be asked for 1 mark. इसको याद रखना, ठीक है ना? Now, next question. Suppose you are given a circle, give a constructions to find its center. I will write the steps, and on the basis of these steps, you will complete the construction. Suppose you draw a circle with the help of a bangle or help of a lid of your lunch box or anything, and you need to find out the center of that circle. Question number 2. Suppose you here I have drawn a circle with the help of a circular lamina. This circular lamina may be a bangle, maybe the lid of your lunch box or anything. What you have to do is step 1. Draw 2 chords. Draw 2 chords AB and CD. AB and CD. Step 2. Draw perpendicular bisectors of AB and CD. We will draw the perpendicular bisectors of AB and CD. The intersecting point of the perpendicular bisector of 2 chords is the center of the circle. You got what we get here? Perpendicular bisectors of 2 chords intersecting point of the perpendicular bisector. Right here, huh? क्या लिखना है बच्चों आपको?
Intersecting point of perpendicular bisector.
Intersecting point of the perpendicular bisectors of any
two chords
two chords is the
center of
center of
the circle.
a circle. Okay. Now the question number 3 is important for you. See here. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lies on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Now suppose this is the circle number 1 and this is the circle number 2. These two circles given, circle 1 center is O and radius is R, and circle 2 radius is center is O M and radius is R, intersect at A and B. This circle is O and this circle is M. Okay. Now prove that their center lies on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. This center lies on the perpendicular bisector of, suppose this point is M होगा, इस point को हम मान लेते हैं बच्चों R. The center lies on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. What you have to prove here?
OM perpendicular.
That OM is the perpendicular bisector of AB and AB is the common chord of both circles. This question is given as a theorem in R.S. Agrawal book, and also this question is the hints to solve the question number 1 of exercise 10.4. Okay, now here we have to do a construction. Join OA, OB, MA and MB. OA, MA, MB and OB. Okay. The very first we have to take two bigger triangles. One above the chord and one below the chord. Now prove. In triangle OAM and triangle OBM. Here OA is equal to OB and MA is equal to MB. MA is equal to MB. Why? What is the reason? They are radius of their respective circles. Now, what is the third point? Very good. OM is equal to OM because it is common. So triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM because of SS. Okay. Now we have to take these two triangles and make AR is equal to RB. From when these two triangles are congruent, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because of CP. Okay. Now here we will take triangle ARO and BRO. Now in triangle ARO and triangle BRO. Okay. What are the 3 points? First point should be girl. Any girl, please answer me. What points shall we take to make these two triangles congruent? First question.
AR is equal to BR.
AR is equal to BR. क्यों? Why?
Perpendicular.
No, it is. You have to prove that one. वो तो हमको prove करना है.
Sir, तो OA is equal to OB.
Oh, very good. OA is equal to OB. Why? Because they are radius of the circle one. Second point. Middle row. Second point, middle row. All are sleeping. Third row. Krish.
So the common point, RA and RA, both are common.
RA.
Yes.
Now we have taken OA,
OR, very good. OR is equal to OR. OR is equal to OR because it is common. And the third one, open your eyes, my dear students. ये सामने बोर्ड पर लिखा हुआ है. You अंधो, आप लोगों को नजर नहीं आ रहा है. देखो, मैं हिंट दे रहा हूँ, बोर्ड पर लिखा हुआ है. हाँ, you.
Sir, AM is equal to BM.
I am telling that it is written, mentioned on the board.
MR is equal to
Sir, please.
Wait. One.
Sir, ORA is equal to OR.
बोर्ड पर लिखा हुआ है. I have proved it 1 minute before. Aditya.
Sir, angle 1 is equal to
Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Please open your eyes properly. आंख तो खुला हुआ है लेकिन दिमाग बंद है. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is proved. So triangle ARO is congruent to triangle BRO because of SAS. Side angle side. Clear? Now if these two triangles are equal, now we can write AR is equal to BR. AR is equal to BR. First one, yes, they bisect each other. Now we have to prove that it is perpendicular. So angle ARO is equal to BRO.
Equal sides, equal angle.
Angle ARO is equal to angle BRO is equal to X मान लेंगे because of CPC. Now angle ARO plus angle BRO is equal to 180 degree. क्यों बच्चों? Linear. Both angles are equal and I assume that this is equal to X. So 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 90. So AR is equal to BR and ARO is equal to BRO, which means that OM is perpendicular bisector of AB. So from 1 and here right here angle ARO is equal to angle BRO is equal to 90 degree. Question number 2. From 1 and 2, OM is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord AB. Please remember, because I will use this result of question number 3 to solve question number 1 of 10.4, which tells us that if two circles intersect at each other, line joining the center is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. You have to keep this understanding, my dear students. This is the formula for one set of questions. समझ रहे हैं ना? केवल ये क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ, इस रिजल्ट से हम बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस को भी सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. You understood? Please practice these questions at least 5 times in your copy. Till then, all the best. God bless you.